Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. If you're looking out to get fast delivery on Temu and you are wondering how to do so, in today's video we are gonna guide you through the process for that. So without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started. So for that, you can start by opening up Chrome, or you can directly download the Temu application as well. Right now I'm using the website Temu, so you can head over there, which is temu.com right there. And if you're not logged in with your account, you can basically log in into your account. And once you are logged in, this is the particular interface you should be finding. So you can basically look out for the profile option in the top and log in into your account if you're not logged in. And then let's directly head over to the process of checkout. So for that, you need to check out and tap on the checkout icon at the top, the cart option. You can find it usually in the top or in the bottom right. So you can just go over and tap on it and tap on the checkout option. You can just go over and do so. And then you should be finding the section for shipping. You can just go over and tap on that shipping section and order and pay. Usually you can just go over and do so. And when you do go over there, you can find an option for, faster shipment. So you can look out for that option and select it. Or within your order section as well, you'll be finding option for speeding up your shipment. So you can tap on that option when the order is in packing process, when it is ready to ship as well. And once you tap on it, it will instruct the seller about your request to speed up the shipment, and they will arrange the shipment for you as soon as possible, and you will be receiving the product as fast as you can. So you can just go over and provide in them with the details, and that should probably give you a fast delivery using the Temu application. So that's it everybody. We hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.